Another solid here, okay? This solid is going to be this guy, all right? Number 13, solid number 13. It's a, again, so if we want to find its volume, we need to find the front face here, which is a rectangle and a semicircle. Rectangle, which is 12 by 24, or 1 foot by 2 feet, so that's 2 square feet. And the circle is going to be, the semicircle here is going to be of radius 6. So let's go and create that, okay? Notice I got rid of Susan. I'm pivoting this around so I can see just my blue and red plane. I'm going to start with my rectangle, which is, I'm going to look at when I sweep out my rectangle, the unit, the length dimension is swept out along the red axis, which is going to be 24 inches, and it's going to rise 12 inches high. So I'm going to put in 24, okay, inches, comma, 12 inches, okay, and that should do it, okay, and this gives me a kind of blown up version, so I'm going to have to zoom way out on that, and there we go, that's a little bit better, okay. Let's pivot this around now, okay. No doubt my dimensions, it should be right on target. It should be my 12, or it registers as 1 foot. This will be my 2 feet, 24 inches, okay? Now what I want to do is see what happens when I point up there. It's pointing to the center. It kind of finds itself right to the midpoint. And it's at that midpoint that I want to draw my circle. So I'm grabbing my circle tool here. I'm going to let it find the midpoint. There it is. I'm going to sweep out my circle right to the edge there. There's my circle. Now, what I have to do is, okay, I have to erase this arc, this semicircle here, and I have to erase this segment here. Okay? All right, so I want to erase that. And I do want to put a dimension line in to show my radius. So I'm going to somehow get the radius is, it knows right off that the radius is 6, so that's good. Okay, now that is a solid. I mean, that is the base of the solid. It's one unified piece. I can click on that and find its base area. Okay, so the area of the selection is 2.38 square feet, 2.38 square feet, and now I can simply pull that back. I might want to pivot this around to see it, but I can pull that back, and I'm forgetting how far I have to pull that back, so I'm going back and look at the figure. Okay, I think it went back 10 inches. Okay, so let me get that and pull that back 10 inches. So push-pull 10 inches. I'm just going to put that in 10 inches. All right, enter, and then that should be my solid right there. There's the solid. That's the shape that's in there in that image. Okay, so all right, there you have it. Okay, we can put my dimension line in there. So I can show my 10 inches going backward. All right, that should be my 10 inches, right? And I could triple click on this to make it a group, and having it as a group, I can check the entity info and see that the volume is just under 2 cubic feet. Just under 2 cubic feet. So there's another construction for you, okay? There you